What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to remove plants and grow a garden. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly remove those plants that you don't want to use or sell or grow in your garden here. Well, first things first is we want to go ahead and just look for a shovel. So to be speaking, your shovel should be in your inventory here. So just in case if you don't see that, you go and click on your backpack at top left here and you should be able to see your inventory in here. Now you go and just choose all items here and just drag your shovel inside or one of your let's say slots. Now you could just press the 1 key here, so whatever it's actually located, so press 1, or you could just click on it to basically open up or use the shovel. Now you want to go ahead and head over into the plant that you want to destroy. For example, this one. Now, as you can see, it's now highlighted, so what we need to do is you just need to go ahead and just hover over it with your mouse and just basically left click on it. Now in this case, that should remove the actual shovel, or in this case actually remove the actual plant. As you can see right now, I'm removing it by left clicking on it, as you can see right now. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.